Hey, so welcome everyone on this beautiful, magical journey where we start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday's class was about those magical people who supported us at the time when we most needed. And we all shared those experiences जब हमारी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे लोग आए जिन्होंने हमारी मदद करी जब हमें बहुत ज़रूरत थी. And we always remember that. सो आपको कुछ लेटर लिखने थे और उनसे बात करनी थी इन देयर फेस एंड appreciating them, acknowledging and giving gratitude. So who all did the assignment? You can unmute and speak or you can write in the chat box. Did you all do your assignment? Okay. So जब हम कोई भी हमारी लाइफ में आता है हमारी मदद करता है see there is always a learning in each and every situation that we have. It is important that we understand what is the learning in today's chapter also which we are going to see, which is about how to make your wishes come true. That is also a beautiful chapter which talks about how in each and every situation in our life it is not an accident, it is our own reflection. Whatever happens in our life, it is our own reflection. हम खुद वो अट्रैक्ट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में अपने शब्दों के द्वारा, अपने एक्शंस के द्वारा, अपनी थॉट्स के द्वारा. Whatever we think, whatever we speak, that is the seed of attracting what we get in our life. So all the situations that we are attracting in our life, it is because of our thoughts and our words. Words are so powerful. Words make our world. So that is why it is said that speak. But before speaking, think before you speak. And it is very meaningful. क्योंकि हम कुछ भी बोल देते हैं बिना सोचे समझे और फिर बाद में उसका रेपुकेशन हम सोचते हैं कि हमने क्यों बोला या उसने ये हमें क्यों बोला आगे से. So it is always advisable that whatever you speak in life, just think before you speak. And what happens is that when we start thinking, शब्दों में बहुत पावर होती है. शब्दों से थॉट्स बनते हैं, थॉट से फीलिंग्स आती हैं. हम किस फीलिंग से बोल रहे हैं, those vibrations they go to the universe and we start receiving vibration. तो जब हम बोलते हैं कि हम ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ कोई चीज बोले, हम ग्रैटिट्यूड से एक्सेप्ट करें व्हाट वी हैव इन आवर लाइफ और फिर हम शुक्राना करके उस बात को कहें, तो उससे क्या होता है, ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ साथ हम हैप्पी मोड में होते हैं. बिकॉज हम तभी ग्रैटिट्यूड में आ सकते हैं व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी, वी आर जॉयफुल एंड वी आर एंजॉयिंग व्हाट वी हैव इन लाइफ. And we start getting back in many folds. When we do gratitude in the morning, it intensifies the magnitude whatever we have in our lives, and we start receiving in abundance. तो सुबह के समय जैसे ही उठते हैं और रात को सोने से पहले whatever we practice, it multiplies, it stores in the memory of our subconscious mind. तो जैसे फ्रीक्वेंसी मिलाते हैं हम जब एफएम चैनल हम सुन रहे हैं, so we just tune into that frequency. Similar is the frequency of the vibration. If it matches with the vibration of the universe, it has to be very powerful. It has to be in high vibration, तभी वो मैच करेगा. If we are into the low vibration, it will not match. तो क्या जरूरी है हमारे उसको मैच करने के लिए? We have to be in good feeling zone, happy, cheerful, joyful all the time, and always remembering that the good times are going to come and we enjoy what we have in our life rather than being stuck in what we don't have. So let's continue with today's chapter number 13. Who's going to read? Has Sandeep joined?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं, सॉरी किस बात की? गुड यू जॉइन. So, any questions about yesterday's assignment? We start with day 13. Make all your wishes come true. So, who all wants कि आपकी पूरी wishes सब fulfill हो जाएं? कौन कौन चाहता है?
Everyone, ma'am.
Everyone. All of us want कि जो हम चाहते हैं वो पूरा हो. तो उसके लिए क्या methodology है, क्या procedure है, क्या क्या techniques हैं that we will do. See, what is it, the whole thing about, it talks about the law of attraction. So today's chapter is the crux of the whole book. This is one of the main chapters where it talks about कि कैसे हम अपने जो भी हमारे dreams हैं, जो हमारी wishes हैं, उनको हम fulfill कर सकते हैं by the universal law of attraction, which talks about ask, believe, and receive. Okay, please start. Sandeep, please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Imagination.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Imagination is the true magic carpet. Norma Vincent Peale, writer. If you have been following the magical practices day by day, you have now built an amazing foundation by practicing gratitude for everything you have received and continue to receive in your life. But today is an exciting day because you are going to begin to use gratitude's magical power for your dreams and desires. Hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they want before they receive it, creating elaborate ceremonies to put as much energy as they could into giving thanks. The Egyptians have celebrated the flooding of the Nile River since ancient times to ensure the continual flow of the water in the river. American Indians and Australian Aborigines perform rain dances. Various African tribes perform ceremonies for their food before they hunt for it. And the very nature of prayer is very every culture and religion is giving thanks beforehand, having received what is desired.
Okay, so here, see, it is written that giving thanks before having received what we desire. तो हमें कुछ मिलने से पहले ही क्या होता है कि हम ये यकीन मान लेते हैं कि हमें वो मिल चुका है. How is it possible? It is possible through the law of attraction. It is possible when you start believing in the process. जैसे सपोज हम Amazon पे कुछ मंगवाते हैं, any product. So what we do is we ask, we place the order. उसके बाद हम ये believe कर लेते हैं that we are about to receive the order. We believe that. We have our full conviction. हम उसमें कोई doubt नहीं करते. We have placed the order और हमें उसका मिल जाएगा. Delivery boy will come and he will deliver the product. And that so happens कि एक delivery boy आता है और हमें product दे देता है. Because we believe in this. So the most important factor in the law of attraction is your belief. जब आप विश्वास मान लेते हैं because you have that faith कि ये तो होगा ही होगा, मुझे जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो मुझे मिलेगा, that is the time you start attracting what you want in life. But then it should be,
Yes, ma'am.
उसका एक reason होना चाहिए that why you are wanting that thing. एक valid reason होना चाहिए. That I will tell you how to write when you write. Like there's an old story. It so happened that एक गांव में बहुत 2 साल से बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. So वहां पर जो संत महात्मा, he said, okay, I will perform some puja, some ritual I will do. और आप सब लोग वहां पर इकट्ठा हो जाना एंड देन वी विल परफॉर्म दैट रिचुअल। पर ये है कि आप सब लोगों को वहां पर आना है, यू हैव टू बिलीव दैट इट विल हैपन। तो सब लोग वहां पर पहुंच गए, मगर एक व्यक्ति वहां पर पहुंचा, एक बूढ़ा व्यक्ति वहां पर पहुंचा जो जिसके हाथ में छतरी थी। He had an umbrella with him because he believed that today it is going to rain after we do that ritual. So that is the power of belief. जब आप यकीन मान लेते हैं कि ये तो होगा ही, क्योंकि अगर आप खुद से सोच रहे हैं कि आपने कोई ड्रीम लिखा अपना कि ये मुझे ऐसा चाहिए, which you will understand how to write, और उसके बाद आप खुद ही सोच लेते हैं कि नहीं पर ये कैसे हो सकता है, इतना तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, ये तो मैंने ज्यादा लिख दिया, थोड़ा कम लिख देता हूँ, then it will not happen. So self doubt बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, and you start expecting कि ये होगा ही होगा. Just like when you order at Amazon and you know that it is going to come, you have your full belief. Similar is your belief that you are going to receive what you want. Yes, please.
The law of attraction says that like attracts like, which means you must form in your mind a likeness or an image of what you want, then to attract your desire to you. You have to feel as though it's yours, so that how you feel is also like how you would feel when you had what you wanted. The easiest way to do that is to be grateful for what you have before you have received it. If it never occurred to you before to use gratitude to receive what you want, you have now discovered another of its magical powers. The very words in the Holy
Scripture.
Scriptures promise exactly that. Whoever has gratitude will be given more in the future, and he or she will have an abundance. Gratitude is something you must have before you can receive, not something that you simply do after something good has happened.
Okay. See, ये जो quoted lines हैं, whoever has gratitude now will be given more in the future, and he or she will have in abundance. मतलब अभी से ही जो शुक्राना के मूड में आ जाता है, वो आप कैसे आएंगे जब तक आपको मिला नहीं? दैट इज थ्रू द पावर ऑफ बिलीव कि मुझे मिल चुका है। एंड यू भी जब आपको कोई चीज मिलती है तो आप कैसे फील करते हैं? यू फील सो जॉयस, यू फील हैप्पी। तो ग्रेटफुलनेस के साथ जब आप हैप्पी फील करते हैं, दैट इज द टाइम यू स्टार्ट रिसीविंग। And you have to fake it till you make it. It's like that. But then you develop that habit of doing it. See, the entire universe is inside you. The entire universe. आपको क्या करना है? आपको प्रीव्यू करना है अपने ड्रीम को। जैसे प्रीव्यू आप कुछ इमेजिन कर लेते हैं पहले से कि ऐसा होगा। यू प्रीव्यू योर ड्रीम एंड क्रिएट दैट सीन। वो सीन आप विजुअलाइज करो कि ये हो गया, एंड जस्ट कीप रिपीटिंग, विजुअलाइजिंग दैट। एक दो बार हमने विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक करी है। टुडे आल्सो वी विल डू दैट विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक, दैट हाउ यू कैन इमेजिन दैट समथिंग इज हैपनिंग, इट हैज हैपेंड फाइनली। यस प्लीज।
Most people are grateful after they receive something good, but to make all your wishes come true and change your entire life by filling it with riches in every area, you must be grateful before and after. Through the act of being sincerely grateful for receiving your desire beforehand, you immediately form an image in your mind that you have it. You feel as though you have it and you are fulfilling your part. If you continue to hold to that image and feeling, you will magically receive your desire. You won't know how you will receive it, and it is not your job to figure it out. You don't try to figure out how gravity is going to keep you on the ground when you go for a walk, do you? You trust and know that when you go for a walk, the law of gravity will keep you firmly on the ground. Likewise, you must trust and know that when you are grateful for what you want will be magically moved to you because it is the law of the universe.
Yes. So there are three H to apply if you want to achieve anything in life. Those three H are: number one, H, heart, a grateful heart. Because a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. तो जब आप फीलिंग्स के साथ, दिल के साथ कोई भी चीज आप अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, यू स्टार्ट रिसीविंग इट. दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ नेचर. दूसरा एच है हेड. तो कैसे? जब आप प्लान करते हैं, जब आप उस चीज को विजुअलाइज कर लेते हैं, एंड यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि हाँ ये तो हो रहा है. एंड द थर्ड एच इज हैंड. You take a lot of actions in doing, because action is required. सिर्फ सोचने से नहीं होगा. The action has to come. That is why I keep telling you to do the assignments, to write it down. आप सोचिए और लिखिए, सोचिए और लिखिए. Imagine, visualize, because writing is one of the technique of manifestation. See, I can give you many techniques on how to visualize, how to manifest, but you have to do it, because the magic will happen only when you do the assignments. That is the key. And it is my commitment to you that if you are regular and if you do your assignments, you are going to experience magic here and share in the group. Because I have experienced it myself, and many of others have also experienced it. Important shift when I'm talking to our participants. So, सबके thoughts में कुछ changes आ रहे हैं, सबकी life में कुछ changes आने लग गए हैं. It is happening. The only thing is your commitment.
Do most
Yes.
want.
What do you?
Most want right now.
What do you most want right now? At the beginning of this book, I asked you to get really clear about what you want in every area of your life. If you didn't do that earlier, now is the time to do it. Go to the lists you created now and choose your top 10 desires for this magical practice. You can select 10 desires from different areas of your life, such as money, health, home, and relationships. Or you might want to choose 10 desires in one area you really want to change, such as work or success. Be clear and specific about what you most want so that you can see the changes magically happen from this practice. Imagine you are putting in a magic order with the universe for your top 10 desires, because in truth, by using the law of attraction, that's exactly what you are doing.
Okay.
Set
So जब फर्स्ट डे हमने करा था, डे जीरो पे, वी टॉक्ड अबाउट ड्रीम्स, कि आप अपने ड्रीम्स लिखिए, आप क्या चाहते हैं. 10 डिजायर्स आपको फर्स्ट डे बोला था, तब ये नहीं बताया था कि ऐसे लिखना है. वो क्यों नहीं बताया था? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? वो इसलिए नहीं बताया था, अदरवाइज यू वुड नॉट हैव बीन ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट यू हैव. तो जब हम ग्रेटफुल होकर अपने ड्रीम्स के लिए हम कुछ मांगते हैं, कुछ पूछते हैं, दैट इज द टाइम यू स्टार्ट रिसीविंग. नहीं तो द एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं होता. दैट इज व्हाई दिस चैप्टर हैज बीन डन नाउ. व्हाई? बिकॉज फ्रॉम टुमारो योर न्यू फ्लाइट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. टुमारो थर्ड वीक इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, जहां पर आप शुरू कर देते हैं, कल और परसों से जहां पर आप शुरू कर देते हैं भागना. भागना इन द सेंस कि योर जर्नी विल रियली टेक ऑफ. So it is very important to understand how to write your blessings and how to write your dreams. These are the most important factors in this book. So this is a very important chapter. And in case you have any query, you please ask. Yes, please.
sit down at a computer or with a pen and journal and create a separate list of your top 10 desires in the following way as though you have received them. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the dash and fill in the blanks with your desire as though you have received it. For example, thank you for the high marks in my exam result, which got me into the exact college I wanted. Thank you for the great news that we are having a baby. Thank you for our dream home, which has everything we wanted it to have down to the last detail.
या सो द थिंग इज कि आपने हर छोटी से छोटी बात भी लिखनी है. अगर आप अपने एग्जाम रिजल्ट के बारे में लिख रहे हैं तो आप ये भी बताइए कि आपको कितने परसेंट चाहिए, कौन से कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट चाहिए. अगर आप अपनी ड्रीम जॉब के बारे में लिख रहे हैं तो उसमें लिखिए आपको कौन सी जॉब चाहिए, क्या प्रोफाइल की जॉब चाहिए, कितनी सैलरी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, घर से कितनी दूर चाहिए वो जॉब, कैसी कंपनी हो, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बॉस यू वांट. आई मीन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इफ यू राइट, so you will manifest exactly as you want. क्योंकि सी ड्रीम्स शुड नॉट बी वेग, बहुत क्लियर होने चाहिए. देयर हैज टू बी क्लैरिटी कि पढ़ते ही एकदम पता चल जाए कि अच्छा दिस इज व्हाट यू वांट, राइट. यस प्लीज. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
Should I read or?
Sandeep, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm sorry.
Please read.
Thank you for the amazing phone call with my dad that has improved our relationship. Thank you for the medical result that show I'm all clear and healthy again. Thank you for the unexpected money I received, which is the exact amount I needed for my European trip. Thank you for the doubling of our sales figures this month. Thank you for the ideas that won us our biggest client yet. Thank you for my perfect partner. Thank you for how easy and effortless our move was.
Okay.
Writing,
When you write, when you say thank you 3 times, thank you, thank you, thank you. First thing is that 3 times saying thank you or writing 3 times, it has more effect. It has more feelings. Second thing is, three is a secret symbol of creation. ऐसा माना जाता है. Yes, please.
writing thank you 3 times in a row is a powerful thing to do because it prevents you from throwing the words away and increases your focus of gratitude. Saying thank you 3 times is also a magic formula because it is the mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. For example, it takes one male and one female to create a baby. The male, female, and baby total three, completing a new creation. The same rule of three applies to the creation of everything in the universe, including the creation of our desires. And so, when you say thank you 3 times in a row, you are using the magic number of creation and a secret magic formula. The second step of make all your wishes come true involves saturating your desires with even more gratitude. You can complete the second step at any time during the day today, either at the same time as listing your top 10 desires or intermittently throughout the day. To
Okay.
saturate,
एक मिनट. तो when you are writing your desires, तो उसमें आपने no नहीं लिखना कि ये ना मिले, मतलब ये ना हो कि मुझे ऐसी जॉब नहीं चाहिए, तो वो स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखनी. व्हाट यू वांट जस्ट राइट इन अ एफर्मेटिव स्टेटमेंट एंड राइट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. दैट इज द कंडीशन. बिकॉज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस कि आपको वो मिल रही है या आपके पास है वो चीज. That way you are confirming that you have it. You start living your dream. That is the whole idea, that you have to live it. Yes, please.
to saturate each of your desires with gratitude's magical power, begin with the first desire on your list and using your imagination mentally, answer the following questions as though you have received your desire. What emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Who was the first person you told when you received your desire and how did you tell them? What is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Finally, reread each desire and
एक
really
मिनट
emphasize.
संदीप, 1 minute. So these 3 points are very important. What emotions did you feel when you receive your draft? आपको ये 3 बातें लिखनी है. Mentally imagine. जैसे मैंने तो लिखा था, मतलब आपको क्या इमोशंस फील हुए. तो जब भी हमें कोई गिफ्ट मिलता है तो क्या इमोशंस आते हैं? वी आर सो हैप्पी, जॉयफुल, वाओ, हुर्रा. So that is the feeling. तो वो feelings आप वो महसूस कीजिए या आप लिखिए. Who was the first person? Suppose आपने कुछ, आपका ड्रीम है, आपने कुछ गाड़ी लेनी है या आपकी जॉब लग गई, तो who is the first person जिसको आप फोन करके बताएंगे या आप मिल के भाग के जाके उसको बताएंगे कि देखो ये हो गया. Can be your friend, can be your parents, anyone, any relative or any unknown person. तो वो कौन है जिससे आप सबसे पहले बताएंगे? वो आपको इमेजिन करना है. दिस इज द विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक. What then the third is, what is the first thing you did when you received your desire? तो मतलब आपने तब क्या महसूस करा और आपने तब क्या करा? आपके माइंड में क्या आया कि मैं अब कैसे उसको अप्लाई करूंगा, कैसे मैं यूज करूंगा, मैं क्या करूंगा उसके साथ? सो दैट इज अ थिंग. आप उसको डिटेल में अपने माइंड में सोचना है और उसको विजुअलाइज करना है. यस प्लीज.
Finally, reread each desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. Move on to the second desire of your list and follow the same steps with each desire until you have completed all 10 desires. Spend at least 1 minute on each desire. If you want to do something that's really powerful and a lot of fun, you can also create a magic board. When you attach pictures of your desires, cut out the pictures and attach them to the board that's in a place where you will see it often. Place the magic words thank you in big bold letters on your magic board, or you can use your refrigerator as your magic board. If you
ओके,
have a
मिनट. सो ये जो मैजिक बोर्ड है, इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप अपनी पिक्चर्स काट काट के लगा सकते हैं या आप कोई मैगजीन से कोई, जैसे कार की पिक्चर काट लें and then you make that magic board. Magic board is a kind of, it can be any sheet, it can be a cardboard, it can be some chart which you cut out, and or it can be a printout. कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं इस तरीके से, या फिर एक बोर्ड, प्रॉपर बोर्ड लेकर आप उस पे बनाएं और फिर उसको लेमिनेट करके कई लोग अपने वॉल पे भी लगा देते हैं. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज एंड टेक्निक्स which I am telling you, all of them. You can do this. उसमें एक ऐप होती है डिफरेंट, जो आप ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, विच इज फोटो एडिटिंग ऐप. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज कि आप वो, जैसे आपने पिक्चर वो काटा और वो लगाया, एंड यू कैन पेस्ट दैट and you standing near that car, something like that. Or you can take a cutout from any magazine और उसमें अपना फेस अपना लगा सकते हैं. दैट इज अनदर वे. द थर्ड वे इज जो मैं बता रही हूँ, फोटो एडिटिंग, दैट यू कैन डू. तो आप कुछ भी ले, जैसे पिक्चर्स का थोड़ा इजी रहता है. यू कैन कट आउट एंड take the cutouts and then paste it on a page and keep it in a place where you see it often. तो उसमें आप क्या लगा सकते हैं? जैसे जो आपकी कोई फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन है, आप उसकी पिक्चर लगा सकते हैं. आपकी फेवरेट गाड़ी है कोई, वो लगा सकते हैं. योर फेवरेट होम, योर ड्रीम हाउस, or that you are getting a degree, so some picture which is relative to that. ऐसा कुछ भी आप लगा सकते हैं, and every time you see it, so you visualize that yes, it is happening. Yes, please.
if you have a family, you can create a magic board as a family project because children love it. Imagine that your magic board is truly magical and that whatever you place a picture of on your board is instantly being moved forward to you toward to you. Your continued gratitude for it will magnetize it all the way into your life. Magic practice number 13, make all your wishes come true. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful for, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Sit down at a computer or with a pen and a journal and list your top 10 desires. Write thank you 3 times before each one as though you have already received it. For example, thank you for dash. Using your imagination, answer the following question in your mind as though you have received each of your 10 desires. What emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Who was the first person you told when you received your desire and how did you tell them? What is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Finally, reread the sentence listing your desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you can feel them as much as you can. If you like, create a magic board, cut out pictures and attach them to your magic board and put it in a place you see often. Title the board with thank you in bold, big bold letters across the top. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic word thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sandeep. Thank you for
Thank you.
reading this wonderful chapter. Okay, so this is the assignment that you count your blessings 10 times, write it down. Then आप एक जर्नल पे लिख सकते हैं अपनी 10 डिजायर्स और हर बार उसको आप थैंक यू 3 बार लिखेंगे उससे पहले जैसे अभी बुक में फॉर्मेट दिया इस चैप्टर में that you have already received it and you say thank you for what is that desire. थैंक यू मतलब वो क्या डिजायर जो आपकी है उसके लिए आप धन्यवाद कर रहे हैं पहले से ही that I have that. Thank you for my beautiful house where I'm living. दूसरा आप इमेजिन करेंगे ये जो 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं अपने इमोशंस के बारे में आपने किसी को क्या बताया और आपने सबसे पहले क्या किया ये तीनों चीजें व्हाट व्हाई मतलब और रीजन भी बताना है कि आपने जितनी डिटेल में आप बता सकते हैं आप बताएंगे अपने ड्रीम्स भी जितनी डिटेल में लिख सकते हैं आप लिखिए एंड फील एज मच एज यू कैन और उसको आपने दोबारा से पढ़ना है जो भी आप लिखेंगे ड्रीम्स उसको दोबारा से पढ़िए बिकॉज दोबारा से पढ़ने से देन यू गेट दैट फील एंड ऑन दैट मैजिक बोर्ड जो आप बनाएंगे उस पे राइट इट इन बोल्ड ऑन द टॉप थैंक यू बिकॉज यू आर थैंकिंग द यूनिवर्स कि जो आपने चाहा है वो पूरा कर दिया and you fake it till you make it and you believe that it is happening and all the time keep reminding yourself that yes you are experiencing that you imagine keep imagining and visualize that scene again and again and lastly you hold that magic rock which is your best friend and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened today. So, any questions about today's assignment or the chapter? Anything you want to share? Anyone about the magic board? सबको clear है? Good, very nice. You can also write in the chat box if any question is there. All right, so let's move on. कुछ बनाती है और you believe that it's here, it's very much here. That is what is required. तो एक कन्विक्शन होनी बहुत जरूरी है कि you have that. Be in the positive frame of mind and you are the creator. All that we discuss in the class, same thing, but it is a very powerful video. All right, so any questions about this or something you want to add on to? Please share. All please share. Sandeep, you were saying something?
Yes, I'm feeling fully motivated right
Yeah,
now.
बहुत charged up. Yes,
No, it was an amazing video.
truly magical. Yeah, it makes you realize actually you can do it, and if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have that in you, you can achieve whatever. It's just anything you can do if you have the will and the intention. Just you have to feel it with full conviction that you are the creator of your life. All right, so I just stop here. And what emotions and about receiving your desire, about the first thing that you did, ये सारा up assignments you must do. And
Yes,
the
ma'am.
magic board which I was talking about, and this book says, it is also said there. So it is required that you do all these activities. There's a little more assignment, but then you need to do you because you have taken that journey. You are on that journey. There would be many obstructions, बहुत hurdles आएंगे, but you have to cross all of them to reach to your destination. आपको बस अपने goal, अपने dreams को ध्यान में रखना है. And wherever you are stuck, just imagine that you are not in that survival mode. अपने खुद को victim नहीं मानना है. But just keep moving in the right direction towards your goal till the time you achieve it. Okay. All right. Anyone wants to add anything? सर आप बोलिए क्या how
No,
you feel?
yeah, Sangeeta, it was very nice. The one thing that you've also been emphasizing on is that you have to have commitment and belief. Until and unless you believe, you cannot achieve anything.
Yes.
So, I mean, everything that you are talking about is revolving around having a very strong belief, uh, believing that it is true, that it is possible. If you feel that, uh, by expressing gratitude is nothing's going to happen. It's not happened in the past. Well, it may not have happened in the past because we did not probably experience it in this manner, or we did not express it in this manner. But once we do it now and we have the conviction in us that it is possible, it will happen. 100% it will happen.
Yeah, and now that we know the right way, that this is the
Yeah.
right way to write, think, and speak, now that we know the method, if we just need to apply it in our
Yes.
journey, तो फिर वो होने लगेगा. तो उसके लिए
Absolutely.
बहुत मतलब थोड़ा सा रियलिस्टिक भी होना चाहिए ड्रीम जो आप अचीव कर सको. फिर आप खुद ही लिखो,
Obviously.
खुद ही सोचिए कि नहीं ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है, तो फिर इट सेल्फ डाउट which will not happen. That is also one.
Obviously. The goals have to be realistic. There is no doubt about it. I mean, you can't ask for the moon, of course, but it has to be. I mean, you should know your own capabilities. Despite your capabilities, if you're not getting something, well, I'm sure this will help. This will 100% help.
Yeah.
And you put it across in such a way that it's amazing.
Thank you.
I'm really impressed the way you put it across.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sangeet. It was very nice.
This is a beautiful chapter. It's very important chapter of this book. So,
Yeah.
and I found this the concepts जो मैंने बीच में add करे हैं. So I hope they are beneficial for all of us.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your views.
Thank you, Sangeeta.
Yeah.
And I'll take your leave now.
Okay.
All right.
You have
Thank you so much.
something important.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. See you soon.
Yes, certainly.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. All right, then Sandeep, anything you want to add on to? Yes. Vidhu, you want to say something? Would you like to add on? Very nicely put. Thank you. Thanks, Vidhu. All right, then we conclude today's class. And if there is anything you want to ask question, ask. All right, so let's conclude today's class. And please do the assignments. And any query you can ask me in the group or otherwise. And see you all tomorrow. Have a great time.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
Thanks for all such a lovely session.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.